Kutu Zangpo. Look, guys, where I am today. I was on my motorcycle journey exploring here around Sirang. I don't know which place is this exactly. You guys can identify and do let me know in the comment section below. But for now, all I know is this spot look really majestic. Wow, there's a huge stone with some sort of art masterpiece. I don't know which place is this, but I was just randomly on my motorcycle tour and I happened to land here, so I thought why not share with my friends here. You are welcome to view this place. Wow, where is this? All I can see for now is this some Buddhist country with this scripture written as always in any part of the Buddhist tradition. Isn't this amazing, guys? Isn't this amazing? Wow. Let me try to get the sea view. I don't know if my captures the real essence that this place holds, but it's amazing in real. Amazing. Yeah. As I said earlier, do let me know in the comment section below which place this. If anyone of you are from this locality, please do let me know. This place is amazing, people. Rami, success or no? Success mo iro mo. Steep sa yan ri. Right. We are on our journey to explore motorcycle journey and as well as nature and trying to please around elements of nature. Yeah. Dami ko? Dami ko? Ito na. Sirang gati na masya sisigi na kamen na. Lapsa ko mela sa sungo ba. Misebe ngai de gati na. Salami na.
Salami bale poti dunga se I anira ngo ngatawa jina.
Yeah, ngachi misebe lishme. Ngachi we are not so sure, please do let us know in the comment section below. Na de isan ansum jut pati jata man.
This is natural medicine of diabetes and
this is medicine for diabetes.
Pani amla. But this is very nice. 99.9% it has a water content.
Organic.
Very organic.
Found available in the wild here in some part of the Bhutan, especially towards the warmer part of the Bhutan.
See, this is the one now.
Pani amala. I don't know what do you call in English. I'm sure there are some name, but I am dumb that I don't know. And you guys also let me know if you guys know this. Amala. You can't know but it's better near this. Some people may have allergic.
दोस्तों, जब हम छोटा था बचपन याद दिलाता हूँ आप लोगों को शायद किया होगा जब बचपन में हमारे ज़माने में पैसा इतना नहीं होता था तो बाज़ार नहीं जा पाता था तो बाज़ार में जाके मिठाई की बदली ये खाता था ये थोड़ा सा मीठा होता है और पानी में इस पानी ज़्यादा होता है ये औषधि गुण होता है बहुत परिपूर्ण भरपूर रूप में एकदम औषधि होता है
and plants looks like this. That's the plant, and we just will have to uproot this, and it's fully abundantly laden with the fruit, wild natural fruit. We have this amazingly beautiful, stunning spot. Seriously, we are very curious to know about this place. It's amazing, and it makes you think a lot how much this country has got to offer. So long as you have time and energy to explore around. Look at this orchid in the nature. Orchid. Free orchid garden. Isn't it amazing? Bhutan is really beautiful. That is why this country is one of the very special destinations in the world. Just sharing the glimpse of beauty. Look at this. Bye bye. It's an amazing day. Have a good day, guys.